making a jiggly slime. As you can see, I'm making jiggly slime. Well, I'm not really making jiggly slime, I'm just trying to make it more stretchy. And if you're wondering why it's soapy, it's because we use Tide to make our slimes. Jael has her purple slime over there. Purple slime. She can have a little bit of a poke. She has purple slime. Mine's used to be a light blue, but I just made it like a silver with some glitter in it.
And eyeshadow.
Yeah.
And just makeup products.
So I'm just trying to...
Oh, and a shout out to Maybelline.
To who?
Maybelline.
Yeah. Shout out to Maybelline. She was the one who helped us. But as you can see, this slime is not jiggly at all. So I'm just gonna go...
By Maybelline, we mean the makeup products.
So yeah, so Jael, you go talk to her. I'm gonna go talk to them.
Okay. Sorry guys if it was bad. It's because I don't have a hold of it because I'm holding the camera. So, let's get to the video.
Making jiggly slime, just have to knead it in the water to make it the jiggly slime that I want. You're not gonna mess up your slime if it gets water into like a paste. You want to just add some more activator. You want to make sure you don't add too much water. Just add the much water as the slime can handle. If it's a little stringy, a little sticky, add some more. Jael, you're on the wrong part. I'm trying to see. But so now I'm gonna mix it just to kind of try it. Now let's check it out. You also make more slime when you do that. It may be a little sticky at first, but it's just like your slime just came out. And just kind of knead it to the point it's not so sticky. And see how much more slime it is? And see how much I had before? It makes more of a poking sound. It may be a little sticky, but it makes more of a poking sound. It's more stretchy. It's a better swirl. So yeah, I would recommend doing it little by little. But I'm gonna go add some more water. Jael, would you like to do yours as jiggly slime? See how much more slime it is?
So we'll be back
after our jiggly slimes are made.
In transformation. Okay guys, we're back. Like this gonna be kind of remember.
So just adding a little bit of water to it.
When we first made our first video, and then we were just like, tired, but we're going to try to stop making our videos as cringy as they used to be. I mean,
wait, let's set it right here so it'll be easier. So come right here, Jael.
Cause like me and her watched the videos and then
you're like, oh my goodness, we need to do way better.
And then one of our friends, shout out to Tatiana. Tatiana told us our video sucked, which I kind of understand.
Don't add that. It's gonna make it squiggly. But yeah, as you can see, mine's is pretty much a thick state, stretchy or thick state, and this is how you can make it. Like, see this? It's not that.
No, it actually isn't.
No, it's like mine's is like a stretchier, thickier, not thicker, but like liquid. I'm not. It's the word I'm looking for, but I can't have it. What is it? Just like a thick, stretchy, like a kind of thick, stretchy consistency.
Okay, guys, you might be.
No. You can use my bowl.
Yeah, I need your bowl.
No, wait, hold on. Let me go grab something. You can talk to them right now.
Okay, guys, I'm going to be doing the ASMR, which I'm just going to see my face, I guess. So let's go.
with my slimes? Can you use a paper plate? You can pretty much use anything.
Sure.
Just you can use this, and you can use this as your little measuring. So you just want to add about that much.
Okay.
You don't add all of that. You have to knead it with your hands. That's just to break it down. All right, Jael's mixing hers over there. I'm gonna just go where? Oh, sure. Here. So Jael's breaking her down in a paper plate. Yeah. I'm gonna be mixing mine over there while Jael tells you guys about her slime.
Okay, guys, as you see here, mine slime is kind of like liquidy, kind of like.
And if it gets too watery, just add some more Tide. But wait, hold on. You want to go like this because it's not working. No, you have to sit it down and knead it in the water, like that. Sorry, I got some new slime in my slime.
I see that now.
So now I'm just mixing. You want to also add a little bit of Glad for a little bit of scent. Just kidding.
You do not want to add that. That makes it more liquidy. Sorry if, like, in our other video.
So you just keep saying that because like you feel so wrong.
Seriously, you remember when I said contact solution? I mean, who says that?
So I'm still mixing my slime over here. This is like a active.
If you want to make slime and then you don't know how to make slime and then you're just so confused and try to do like all the testing slimes and stuff.
Yeah, like that's what we were doing.
And it went horribly wrong. I mean, if you make soap slime, it's not bad.
It's just not like slime that like you can stretch like that.
Stretch like this, but you can just like touch it.
And that's all you can do is touch it. Like who wants the slime? All you can do is touch.
I mean, it was kind of impressive and kind of neat, but like, kind of.
I'm gonna go add some more Tide to mine probably because mine's a little. You can see it's a little drizzly, but I like it jiggly, so.
Me too.
Yeah, you should use this water. Pour that water out. How about we just switch? Cause like mine's is a little liquidy. Can you put yours in here until you put it, so I can transfer mine? Okay. So Jael's about to use the big bowl. All right, there you go. No, this is yours, and put it in there. All right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show them my slime. Pretty stretchy
and big.
Yeah, it's supposed to be big. It's actually tiny. You should just add some water and mix it with your hands so it can actually get in there. So I'm gonna add some more Tide because mine's kind of sticky. I'll be right back.
Okay, guys, I'm actually going to do that. I'm just going to be mixing my slime now. I hope
guys,
this doesn't go wrong.
Got the Tide?
But if you literally want to make slime, all you have to do is just get Tide and glue.
You don't have to. You can use liquid starch contact solution. If
baking
you have
soda
that, baking soda and contact solution. Also I know that like that washing powder, like powder and like.
It's working.
No, like put it in your hand and jiggle it, like just jiggle it.
It has to be to jiggle form.
So what I think is going to be kind of nice, I'm going to use a little bit of water and I'm going to use a tiny bit of Tide so it stays overreacted. So it doesn't be over jiggle-like, so I'm just using a little bit of Tide.
Guys, I just want to say thank you for this
It's going to stick to your eyebrows.
Seriously?
I told you weren't supposed to do that. I didn't know you was going to do that. Okay. So guys, I'm adding some Tide to mine if you can hear me in the background.
But seriously,